A project management plan serves as a critical document that outlines the framework and approach for successfully executing a project. It provides a roadmap to guide project managers and teams throughout the project's lifecycle. In this lecture, we will delve into the relevance and significance of a project management plan and the inputs to this process of developing project management plan. A project management plan holds immense relevance in ensuring project success. It serves as a comprehensive document that communicates the project's objectives, scope, constraints, and stakeholders' expectations. The plan provides clarity and a shared understanding among team members, stakeholders, and sponsors, aligning them towards a common goal. Furthermore, the project management plan plays a crucial role in risk management. It identifies potential risks, their impact, and mitigation strategies. By anticipating and addressing risks proactively, the plan enhances the project's chances of achieving its objectives within the allocated resources and timeline. The significance of a project management plan lies in its ability to bring structure and control to complex projects. It serves as a reference point, allowing project managers to monitor progress, track milestones, and make decisions. The plan facilitates effective communication, coordination, and collaboration among project stakeholders, enhancing their overall efficiency. Additionally, a project management plan enables effective resource management. It outlines the required resources, their allocation, utilization, and ensuring that the right resources are available at the right time. This ensures optimal resource utilization, preventing bottlenecks and enhancing productivity. Moreover, a project management plan provides a mechanism for managing changes. It establishes a change control process that enables project managers to evaluate and implement changes in a controlled manner. This ensures that changes do not disrupt the project's objectives, scope, timeline, or quality. Let's discuss the components of a project management plan. Project objectives and scope. This section defines the project's goals, objectives, and the desired outcomes. It also outlines the project scope, including the deliverables, boundaries, and constraints. Project organization. This component defines the project's organizational structure, roles, and responsibilities. It clarifies reporting relationships, communication channels, and decision-making authorities within the project team. Project stakeholders. This section identifies the project's key stakeholders, including their roles, interests, and influence. It outlines strategies for stakeholders' engagement and communication, ensuring their active participation and support. Project schedule. The project schedule provides a timeline that breaks down the project into specific activities, tasks, and milestones. It includes dependencies, critical path analysis, and resource allocations, enabling efficient project planning and monitoring. Resource management. This component outlines the resources required for the project, such as personnel, equipment, materials, and budget. It includes resource allocation, utilization, and procurement strategies to ensure smooth project execution. Risk management. The risk management section identifies potential risks, assesses their impact, and defines mitigation strategies. It includes risk identification analysis, response planning, and contingency plans to minimize the project's exposure to uncertainties. Quality management. This component outlines the project's quality objectives, standards, and processes. It defines quality assurance and control activities, ensuring that project deliverables meet the required quality standards. Communication management. This section defines the project's communication channels, methods, and frequency. It outlines the stakeholders' communication, needs, and expectations, promoting effective and timely information exchange. Change management. The change management component establishes a process for managing changes to the project scope, schedule, budget, or objectives. It includes change control procedures, impact assessment, and approval mechanisms. Procurement management. The project involves procurement activities. This section defines the procurement strategy, selection criteria, and contract management processes. It ensures that the project acquires goods and services in a cost-effective and timely manner. A project management plan plays a crucial role in ensuring project success by providing structure, control, and direction. Its relevance lies in clarifying project objectives, managing risks, and aligning stakeholders towards a common goal. The significance of the plan is reflected in its ability to enhance communication, resource management, and change control. By incorporating the key components, project managers can effectively navigate the complexities of project execution, leading to successful outcomes. Let's discuss the inputs to the process of develop project management plan. Project Charter. The project team uses the project charter as a starting point for initial project planning. The type and amount of information in the project charter varies depending on the complexity of the project and the information known at the time of its creation. At a minimum, the project charter should define the high-level information about the project that will be elaborated in the various components of the project management plan. Outputs from other processes. Outputs from many of the other processes are integrated to create the project management plan. Subsidiary plans and baselines that are an output from other planning processes are inputs to this process. In addition, changes to these documents may necessitate updates to the project management plan. Enterprise environmental factors. The enterprise environmental factors that can influence the developed project management plan process include government or industry standards, legal and regulatory requirements and/or constraints, project management body of knowledge for vertical market and/or focus area, organizational structure, culture, management practices, and sustainability. Organizational governance framework, a structured way to provide control, direction, and coordination through people, policies, and processes to meet organizational strategic and operational goals. And infrastructure. Then we have the organizational process assets. The organizational process assets that can influence the developed project management plan process include organizational standards, policies, processes, and procedures. Project management plan template, including guidelines and criteria for tailoring the organization's set of standard processes to satisfy the specific needs of the project, and project closure guidelines or requirements such as the product validation and acceptance criteria. Change control procedures, including the steps by which official organizational standards, policies, plans, procedures, or any other project document will be modified and how any changes will be approved and validated. monitoring and reporting methods, risk control procedures, and communication requirements. Project information from previous similar projects. And finally, historical information and lessons learned repository.